Anji, and welcome back to the huddle. Tariq Abdul Rahman sitting to my right hand side this time.
Yo.
वैसे भी right पे ही होता है लेकिन sitting right next to me. वलीद मसूद खान and ज़करिया आगा. आज boys हम बात कर रहे हैं प्रीमियर लीग सीजन की जो आ रहा है. And वो सबसे पहले वैसे मेसी की थोड़ी सी बात कर लें.
जरूरी है.
He was a good man.
First of all,
He's an even better man in France.
he's not dead. First of
Barca
all,
is though.
yeah, Barca is dead.
Yeah.
First of all,
La
let's
Liga
just
maybe in general.
acknowledge
Yeah, this rate.
someone in this room, that's myself, who called it and said Messi would not be renewing. Self 5. Carry on.
Moving on. So PSG done deal, but PSG is looking dangerous.
Yeah, fit scene उनके लिए. Well, what are we supposed to talk about?
मतलब मेसी
We're only talking about the team. We're talking
नहीं
about
बस
Messi. generally.
मैं मेसी को टच करना चाह रहा था.
अच्छा.
Not literally,
मैं-
लेकिन चलो आगे प्रीमियर लीग की बात करनी है बेसिकली.
But if you could touch Messi.
Yeah,
what would you touch?
वैसे मैं I was
I
reading.
just
left
asked-
foot.
Huh?
You would touch his left foot. What would you touch him
High
with?
or नीचे ankle?
क्या क्या ये क्या
I'm just asking, man. If you could touch Messi, would you touch?
left foot.
Yeah, I know, but you'd want to touch. If I saw Messi, I'd want to like touch, poke him at least and see if he's real or not. You know, because.
This channel is going.
Anyways,
Quality content.
YouTube की message
anyways.
Yeah, man.
That's no, but genuinely,
Man,
now PSG. What do you think? Which formation are they going to play? How are they going to play Messi?
I think 3 at the back.
3-5-2.
3-4-3.
No, 3-4-3.
The best way to go. But बेचारा team
क्या
में
number 10
ये-
खिलाएंगे?
No, like but they're going to interchange. Interchange, huh?
Paris entertainment.
Neymar,
आगे
Messi,
जो
Neymar,
front
Messi
three
are going to be like
free roaming.
मैंने एक opinion पढ़ा था एक वो it's interesting you know like in terms of the football world is broken कि Messi is available on free transfer, right?
Yeah.
So you would think it would be a bidding war between all the big, the big clubs in the world. But realistically, there was only maybe 2-3 clubs that could afford him.
2 clubs.
No, 3 Chelsea.
मतलब Chelsea को
Chelsea City
yeah,
afford.
yeah.
Chelsea City and
City, Chelsea
PSG,
और
yeah.
हो सकता है कि ने Grealish ना लिया होता तो ये कर भी लेते.
हाँ, they would have, yeah.
लेकिन kind of sad, कि you would want कि अच्छा Bayern भी पीछे पड़ी है, Chelsea भी पड़ी है, Liverpool, United, so everyone kind of because the world's best player the free transfer.
I think it's practical. Like TK, when you sign him, you get all that money. Well, you're not spending any money, but you get a lot of money back with his
A lot of money back.
with his shirt sales and everything.
Profit,
But I think-
profit mean
But I think based on like the way things are going, like even Barca's issue with all their wage structures, pandemic, Super League, and all that money being held tight, it makes sense that only 2 or 3 clubs could do
नहीं तो
it.
यही मसला है ना कि it's only like super clubs that can afford him. It's not clubs who are running on the normal financial model. It's just clubs who have cash to burn for no reason. Because not even Barcelona can afford him. That's why they have to let him go.
Yeah.
Just PSG, unlimited money. City, unlimited money. Chelsea,
Madrid would
virtual
probably
and-
afford it too,
virtual.
but I don't
I
think
think
they
it's
would.
possible.
कोई scene
थोड़ा
नहीं
थोड़ा
And
वो
also they said कि if Messi had decided to play for free, तो वो फिर भी they couldn't
Yeah,
afford
because
the wage
they
structure
were-
because that's how messed up they were
Yeah.
and the rules and all that stuff. तो
Yeah.
काफी bad scene था बार्सिलोना का तो बहुत bad.
अब वही I don't know La Liga का आगे क्या if they can't compete financially with Premier League में for example अब 2 ऐसे clubs तुम्हारे पास हैं who have money to burn.
Yeah.
United you can count maybe is another one because they spend big.
No,
as well.
they are, bro. They're leading. Like in the last 5 years, even though they've done shit, like they've been spending.
Yeah,
they've been
yeah.
first at most.
अब फिर और देख लो
So
लेस्टर
they
के
do
पास
spend.
लेस्टर के पास भी अच्छे खासे पैसे हैं. I think you'll see more clubs slowly going down that model.
Yeah.
So if teams in other leagues can't compete, then अभी से देख लो कि Premier League में कितने top players from everyone.
Top players, top
So
managers.
देख लो अभी स्पेन से तो they got that Spurs got that Brian Gill from
Sevilla.
Sevilla, right? So he's like La Liga में they've rated him as the up and coming youngster, जिस तरह हमारा Misaka and stuff like that. So
Youngster.
yeah, I said yeah. So yeah, man.
अच्छा प्रीमियर लीग की थोड़ी बात कर लें अब.
Yeah.
क्या बॉयज क्या सीन लग रहा है
Bro,
अपकमिंग
देखो.
सीजन.
It's a madness. Like every team, man. Every team. And अभी Liverpool भी क्या पता Klopp ने थोड़ा hint किया है कि I'm not stupid, I know what everyone's doing. but and we're looking at a player or two.
First team
but
the
we'll see.
Liverpool की बहुत अच्छी है. I just don't know if they can challenge
We could-
in all competitions like the other जो बाकी हुआ है ना.
This is Liverpool majority.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
watching Liverpool fan TV.
जैसे वो
Hello.
मिलान की कोई बात नहीं कर रहा और आर्सेनल ज़्यादा आजकल अब क्या ही you know.
Premier League में है नहीं.
हाँ, तो फिर
Okay, so-
Even the Serie A, no one cares about Milan.
Yeah. I think squad wise ना जो ये City, Chelsea और United City, Chelsea, United की जो squads है ना, I think amongst all competitions में ये लोग जितनी अच्छी तरह compete कर पाएंगे लिवरपूल शायद उस तरह नहीं कर पाए.
बहुत ज्यादा स्क्वाड डेप्थ है.
हाँ बहुत ज़्यादा squad है. लेकिन
I think-
first team जितनी अच्छी है लिवरपूल की I think they can compete.
No, but we could challenge, ना? Like Jota ने किस तरह challenge किया था? We still
Yeah.
need those players to like challenge them.
बस दुआ करो VVD fit रहे.
Fit रहे.
Everyone fit, inshallah. Amin.
Yeah. I think aside from like the obvious clubs, Chelsea, United, City, and even Liverpool to some extent, people are like, I think Leicester, this will be a very huge season for them. Like at least
Top four establishment?
Yeah, I see, top four
So
establishment.
फिर कौन निकला top four से?
Obviously.
Look, Arsenal and Spurs.
Because if Leicester are getting in, I know
No,
we're getting
bro,
out, bro.
there's no-
Because that means we had a bad transfer window. Because I don't see Chelsea dropping, City dropping, or
But you know,
United
there's
dropping.
this
In the past
there's been this
2.5
thing in the
years,
Premier
Liverpool
League.
have had like 3 bad months, maybe 2 bad months.
There's this thing in the Premier League that big teams, like especially when some clubs make super teams, like the way City, it's been cyclical. Like you see them going down quite badly, even in spite of like the transfers they make. I don't think that will happen to them, but they have everything to lose at the moment in terms of fighting in the Premier League, winning
And-
the title. Like
and the Champions League.
everybody's considering them title winners already.
Yeah.
They have their first game week against Tottenham, and everybody's going to be talking about whether Harry Kane's going to be playing for City or for Spurs. So that's how like big the expectations are on them.
Hmm.
It's very possible that they fall under those expectations. You never know. And
But I don't think that happens. Like
Yeah, I
generally,
know,
for me,
but
like,
like,
I
they're
think
too
the mentality they're just too good. Like for them, it's just another. All they've been doing, they've beat us. पता नहीं कितने points से by 1 point. उससे पहले the 100 points. Then they beat Liverpool. They competed with us. Like
Yeah.
people praised Klopp's season and rightly so. मतलब he had no right to compete with City there. But bro, City did beat us by 1 point that season.
1.2 centimeters.
So to like to have that 100% establishment, when you're like 100 points, no one can touch us. To then someone actually fighting with you and you surpassing that and overcoming it. So
Lekin
I think they have that mentality where they won't take it easy.
On the other
they
hand,
know all those players, especially Pep.
On the other hand, I think the biggest, not that they've had a lot of issues, लेकिन competing against Liverpool ना, पिछले season तो you can't really count, right? For example, because they didn't really have a challenger, just like Liverpool the season
And even
before.
even their season wasn't good. Like
Yeah,
generally speaking,
yeah, exactly.
it wasn't the
Just
best
like the season before,
Everyone was
Liverpool-
just really bad.
Yeah, the season before Liverpool didn't really have a challenger, but they've been missing like an Aguero type number 9, and I don't think they've addressed that. Just if they get
Yeah.
Kane, then it's like okay, maybe no contest.
No.
But
Abhi-
since they haven't got him yet,
currently, yeah.
Jesus is in it. Like वो बात नहीं है उसकी जो उनको चाहिए ना उस जगह पे.
bro, and I can see them like even from the Community Shield match. I can see them having some squad issues as well in terms of rotation and who to play and who not to play. I don't know if it's Pep's fault or maybe it's the team's fault, but there are some issues there. Like I can see it. Like even that Chelsea Champions League final, they should have won that, but they didn't. There's still some issue there that he just hasn't perfected. Maybe it's strikers,
Yeah. Or again-
maybe it's the link between the
Yeah.
midfielders and the strikers. I don't know.
Or again-
Because right now the midfielders seem to be doing most of the duty that the forwards should be doing.
Yeah. Well, they haven't had someone like Aguero, I think, since Aguero
Yeah.
started dropping off. Of which Jack Grealish is in a way similar profile of player as Bernardo Silva, as Phil Foden. You know, like he'll play a similar role. They can play wide, they can play in the center, they can score goals, they can pick a pass. But so they didn't exactly need a player in this position.
Yeah.
But Jack Grealish is an
Jack
unbelievable
Grealish-
player. Yeah.
No, but
I don't think they
but
needed him.
masla ye hai कि all the few names na Pep said 4 players want to leave and they're leaving.
Yeah.
Bernardo-
Sterling, and I think
Bernardo-
Sterling's one of them as well. Because
Bernardo
Sterling's not
Mahrez.
guaranteed. spot as well. And
I think he might leave.
लेकिन
before
कितना
then.
टाइम रहता है यार?
And,
कब कहाँ जाएंगे ये लोग?
अभी तो
कब तक है?
website
When does the
website
transfer-
Pep was quite clear at the end of
End
this
of
month.
this
End of
month.
this
And Pep was quite clear in his interview. He said like something like they know where the door is type scene. So like he knows कि like if you want to leave like I don't care वाला scene है. तो they're set like उस तरीके से
वो like
Grealish can fit my what is
अगर वो 3-4 प्लेयर लूज कर लें अपने जो मेन इनका स्क्वाड है तो इनको काफी I mean
But
it
they
takes a
aren't the
while
core-
to
they aren't the core players.
3-4 नहीं जाएंगे.
And they aren't the core players ना जो जा रहे हैं like Bernardo Silva Sterling ये they're replaceable just like Sane was replaceable. But मसला ये है कि वो directness वाला scene है कि उसमें फिर फर्क है कि how much you know
was Sane
how-
replaceable though? I don't think
Well,
ever
like,
got
he
anyone
was-
like Sane.
He was replaceable. Sterling literally had a great season. It's just a bad season this season. तो इसलिए वो you can't compare उस तरह की scene ना.
नहीं,
There
obviously
hasn't-
Sane was replaceable.
He wasn't
They
a core
replaced
player
him as
though.
well.
A core player is Aguero and replacing
So-
him with Harry Kane.
जिस
is what
तरह
they
की
want to do.
Yeah.
जिस
Core
तरह की
player-
उनकी width थी ना उस सीजन में when they had Sterling and Sane on either side, I feel like they didn't have maybe and again last season
They didn't need to have that.
yeah they didn't need to but that's the thing last season they didn't have any challengers in terms of the Premier League.
But bro, you can't say.
But in the
कि
Champions League they,
Bukhari ने की थी.
again they couldn't do it right.
Yeah,
So
They went to the final, bro.
Yeah,
They also
that's
they
what I'm
also
saying.
came
They
in.
didn't
They
win it, dude.
were
वो final में तो Tottenham भी है.
bro जब ये City were
तो
what?
वो उनका best season था.
Yeah, it's not best season. That's the thing. So,
league में काफी नीचे
if you're
है, bro.
comparing the City, would you say City of last season was better than the City that beat us by 1 point?
नहीं वो तो मैं कह रहा हूँ.
Which team was better?
नहीं है.
I think it was that one.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So if let's say you have a team that competes with them, if it's either United or it's Liverpool,
Yeah.
or even if it's Chelsea,
You
you
can
can
have-
play as good as Liverpool did that
You know,
season.
you can-
Will this City squad be able to beat them? That's
Which
what I
one?
don't know.
Look,
Which one?
the
This
thing.
current City
ये
squad.
Grealish and
Is
Kane
it-
के
yeah,
साथ
is-
हो गया.
नहीं Kane तो अभी नहीं आया ना. Kane
हाँ,
आए
नहीं.
तो फिर game
But
for
like, hey, man, first
Obviously
of all,
they
you
come.
can't compare teams like that because a lot of people even say like, is the 2009 Barca treble winning team better than the
जो भी.
whatever the other one,
Yeah,
the MSN wala,
Yeah,
Messi, Suarez, Neymar, all that. So you don't know because there were different dynamics, different teams. There was a different journey for both of the teams.
लेकिन इसमें थोड़ा similar
Yeah.
same coach है, core
Yeah.
players काफी same है, अभी भी
Yeah,
core players
नहीं,
थोड़े
तो
same
देखो
हैं.
ना उस main players तुम सोचो कौन कौन थे.
Silva,
Company था.
Company, हाँ.
Silva, two big players
Yeah.
जो इस season
Aguero.
में थे. Aguero. नहीं खैर वो तो अब आएगा ना. Last season की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
Aguero भी मिस ही किया था most of the season.
नहीं तुम उस वाली की बात कर रहा सिल्वर कंपनी तो उस वाली
हाँ,
की ना
तो
जो
वही कह रहा हूँ ना.
8 points
तो comparison नहीं बनता ना.
Yeah.
साने का फिर हो या ना हो
And,
फर्क नहीं
and
पड़ता.
सादी का ये point like वही core players वाली बात
Yeah.
फिर से आ जाती है कि core players are like Liverpool के core player कौन है? VVD था. We missed him. Fabinho है. ठीक है we missed him because he wasn't in his core
Yeah,
position.
VVD,
And then
Henderson, Fabinho,
Firmino was off form
Yeah.
because Firmino links up Salah and Mane. Salah and Mane are obviously what I'm trying to say is if you get
know,
I feel like
it's gonna be a test for them this season because another team, like, where do you guys feel Chelsea are gonna go this season?
या चelsea का बहुत bit
Chelsea.
Bro, the thing with Chelsea,
Yeah,
right, for me
proper
is
squad है
they
उनका.
they were a great squad when Lampard was there, ठीक है.
अब manager भी fit
And
out.
manager भी
और
upgrade हो गया उससे.
और फिर
And with this
striker भी
manager,
upgrade.
you have an upgrade on the
Striker.
squad even more. And on top of that, like the Chelsea's youth have always been the best youth in
Yeah.
the country, England के लिए. Their youth players have always been great, and what they do is they have never tried to use them. And when they use them because of the ban, तुमने देख लिया gems like Mason Mount and all these players came out.
Yeah.
And Billy Gilmore भी है और सब कुछ. So like they're set. The youth का भी mix है. Prime players का भी है, and then also like you know veterans are there as well.
और यार
And
पिछले
it's like the
सीजन
perfect squad.
I think- I think-
इतनी ज्यादा
I think
डेप्थ
that-
थी इनकी स्क्वाड में पिछले सीजन और अब उसके ऊपर उन्होंने
Yeah.
लुकाकू भी ले लिया है तो और लुकाकू's I mean
Top
Like,
three.
monster,
top
man.
top
Easy top
yeah,
three.
top player right now.
और Chelsea fans कुछ नहीं.
And imagine having Lukaku and then like even if Lukaku has his bad days or off days or whatever, Werner can come in the team and like he can do something. He
Something.
misses. Yeah, he misses a
Something.
lot, but he can
He's
do
a problem.
something.
He's a
Yeah,
problem.
He's a problem.
Yeah.
He runs that play. So I think they're gonna be like very direct challengers to City for the title this season.
I don't know if they'll challenge for the title.
I think they
they-
will.
they
I
can.
think they
मतलब
will.
they have the
Because
They
look,
have-
they do have
here's
a
the-
team for it.
Here's the thing. They started. Forget Lampard. They started their season halfway from last season, and they're still carrying that momentum with them. And another thing, also their players internationally have had like pretty good tournaments as well. Mason Mount ho gaya, Chilwell we didn't feature that much, but TK he was there. Who else? Jorginho, for God's sake.
Jorginho, Azpilicueta.
Azpilicueta. So Rudiger, Havertz, like they've all
Yeah.
all
I just
been-
mean in the sense that all
Conte.
Conte.
to challenge for
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
He's going to be right side center back.
Yeah.
He's done.
Almost, like they're trying.
Like very like
अच्छा.
तो फिर तो bro.
Because and that वही ना, and with Christensen का weakness था, you know,
Bro,
Tuchel is
literally,
just checking all these weak points.
Second
He's
best
just
side in
filling
the
them
country.
out.
अब वही
On paper probably the best.
इस मतलब इस
No, they've
सिटी
got
या
better depth than
लिवरपूल
City.
हाँ.
Easy.
इस
Isn't
सिटी
it?
या लिवरपूल टीम को चैलेंज करने के लिए ना 90 से above
लिवरपूल
points
के अलावा भी
score.
प्रीमियर लीग है.
90 के they'll have to aim for above 90 points.
Exactly, the
right?
point is they-
And so
मतलब
there's,
United
there's,
भी है.
there's 4 teams that can do that right now, and that's insane. I don't think we've seen a league with 4 teams that have this kind of squad who you all can think could maybe score above 90 points in a season.
ज़को
मैंने
मसला
दफा
ये है ना
मैंने तो
कि
देखा है।
ये मसला ये है कि if you're challenging ना सिटी और लिवरपूल जा रही है तो वही
हाँ.
मोमेंटम पे जो तू कह रहा है 90
हाँ.
points. Chelsea are they're great players there, so obviously they're gonna excel at their level and push them and go to
Yeah,
90
true.
points as well.
ये-
So
ये-
यही होता है, like greatness वाला scene है कि they're not gonna just back down से वो 90 के नहीं पहुंच सकते.
So basically
हाँ, obviously,
3
वो तो
great
नहीं कहेंगे
squads
कि
and
नहीं
1
होगा.
great team. ये वाला सीन है.
Yeah, basically. Yeah, मैं तो यही कहूँगा.
और फिर उसके
Liverpool
साथ
depth बिल्कुल नहीं है.
लेस्टर है right below them.
हाँ.
और फिर बाकी सारे shit.
Tottenham I think फारिग हो गई है.
फिर बाकी सारे shit.
United में, what do you think Sancho's impact is going to be? I don't think he's going to have.
Yes,
I think he's
next season जो है ना वो मेरी prediction ये है, इस season may be all right. Next season.
यार मुझे लग रहा था यूनाइटेड एक प्रॉपर नंबर 9 साइन करेगी.
They're gonna next season.
मुझे
Their
लग रहा था ये
Chelsea's plan was-
लुकाकू तो खैर I guess उनको PTSD हो गया
कोई scene नहीं
तो वो
है.
लाइक को हॉलैंड या इस तरह कोई मुझे लग रहा था
हो
यूनाइटेड
सकता है next season.
They were going
नहीं
for
I thought this
next
season हो जाएगा
हाँ.
because they're almost there you know
मैंने
like
तो ये
they've
भी सुना
got
था कि वो मेसी को एक ridiculous bid मांगने लगे.
वो he can go into वो था ना यूनाइटेड almost 11
हाँ.
उसमें अब मेसी का भी नाम आता
No, but I mean, you have to give it to United. Like almost say अभी देख लो Varane really है इन लोगों ने. They got
yeah,
Sancho as
Varane
well.
and
So you
Sancho.
can't really hold this
Those are
against
good
them. And
signings.
they're also
Good
going for Camavinga, whatever his name is.
Yeah.
Bro
Yeah.
ये भी एक
So-
प्रॉपर नंबर 9 ले लेते ना जिस तरह
No, they
Chelsea
don't.
ने
But
लिया.
that's the thing, bro. Like United don't need a number 9 now. What they did was number 9 का spot Cavani को extension दे दिया for 1 year.
Yeah.
Because they know, and
Exactly.
this year का था.
And
Haaland-
next year,
I've always
Haaland-
thought,
Haaland said-
I've always
Haaland
thought
said-
about their squad. They have finishers like even Rashford, Martial, Cavani. They're all good.
Bro, Greenwood is
they're
great.
all
Yeah,
good finishers.
Greenwood, yeah.
ये
The
सीन है
issue-
कि
you know the issue
कवानी
they've
पे से
had.
कितना निचोड़ सकते हैं ये और
Cavani
Cavani
कर सकता है.
is
Cavani का
good.
work rate, bro. If you watch Cavani's work rate now at 35 or something, the man was
Crazy.
running. Like he
his
got
whole season. His
he
whole
got
season.
the
runs
runs.
more.
Yeah, I'm with him, dude. But like
So-
Greenwood, another season, 2 seasons, dude. जो ready-made finisher आ जाता है ना आपकी टीम में,
Oh.
तो पैसे दिए बगैर.
The issue
This is
they've had,
blessing,
the issue
dude.
they've had is they don't have enough. Like there hasn't been enough chances being made. Like you know how he said about Spain, like chances are coming from every which way.
Yeah.
That's not happening for United because they're all relying.
It's brilliance basically.
Yeah.
Individual
They're all
brilliance.
relying on one
and
person.
counter-attack.
Individual.
So
Mainly
if
वो
they-
वैसे तो
And at
counter
this
attack
point,
ज़्यादा.
ये chance का भी Liverpool का scene is बिल्कुल opposite. अब we create chances for fun. Like
Yeah.
we've seen Salah Mane miss sitters, right?
Yeah.
And it's because they know that they're gonna get one. They're gonna get chances because एक system इस तरह बना हुआ है. So if Ali can somehow get something going there, ना इस season. But I think Sancho is gonna have a good season. I think he's
I
gonna
hope
hit.
he does.
I think he's gonna hit the ground running because
I
इसके
don't-
लिए बना हुआ है.
I don't know.
Yeah.
इसके लिए तो बना
I
हुआ
hope for
है.
I hope for Sancho himself.
Arsenal की
not
बात
for-
करेंगे
थोड़ी
थोड़ी
Arsenal की बता ना क्या सीन है.
Arsenal का भाई एक
Arsenal-
signing है.
कौन है?
Lokonga. What a player.
Buffett player.
क्या खेलता है?
हाँ?
Center में.
Center में है.
only.
कोई सीन नहीं है यार, मैं क्या बोलूँ.
No shaka laka boom boom नहीं होना.
कोई सीन नहीं है. 8th probably.
Man, I saw Arsenal play against Tottenham
Which
the other
one?
day.
I didn't
And it
watch
wasn't.
much.
Where's
It wasn't
Partey? Like,
nice,
is he
man.
still
injured?
He's injured, man.
Friendly में injured हो गया था Chelsea के against और out for 4 more weeks.
So you think Leicester finishing above Arsenal?
Oh definitely. Oh, why
Arsenal
not?
have a lot of work.
8.
Leicester look good though, right?
Yeah.
Leicester look really
Man,
good.
Arsenal का मसला ये, you guys are still doing like पता है the Spurs और Chelsea से बात भी.
Bro, I think they should call.
They did another defensive error which Chelsea के खिलाफ भी कोई error
Yeah.
हुआ था. So it's just like you
Man,
guys
they
are still
did-
doing it, man.
It's lack of confidence, and I think they should just call quits on Arteta. He's not a bad manager, but it's
Yeah,
not
bro.
working.
But tell me who's
should
going to
have
take charge?
called. अभी तो नहीं
Who
वो change
wants to
करें.
take charge of this
अभी तो
team?
नहीं वो change
They-
करें ना
they-
bro.
that's the thing about clubs. You don't look for players who want to take on this project. TK, you're not a. Unfortunately, you're not a top 4 club anymore.
Yeah.
That's what was happening when Milan were like down in the dumps, 8th, 9th, 10th. They stopped looking for managers who wanted to take on a big project. Get a manager who's going to just sort the team, get everything ready.
Yeah.
That's what Gattuso did for us. He's not the best manager in the world, but he got shit sorted together. And then once that thing sorted, you have a foundation. Then you get a manager with a project. Then you get something, and you get all these directors and stuff.
ये जो काफी टीम है इनको ब्रेंडन रॉजर्स या नुनो एस्पिरिटो सैंटो इस तरह के उनको लेने चाहिए इस तरह के उनको मैनेजर साइन करना चाहिए तो जो यू नो या पॉजिटिव जिस तरह है वो लाइक स्टार्ट प्रोजेक्ट who already have Eddie Howe exactly who have some credentials as people who can build up a team without too many funds and then
stabilize.
slowly take it on from
They
there.
need a वो कौन था वो चेल्सी का जो हर बार आ जाता था fixed interim manager वो क्या नाम था
Avram Grant
Goose heading.
Goose Hiddink.
Goose Hiddink.
Like they need a Goose Hiddink, like someone.
Avram Grant किधर गया
But क्यों उसको
Shout out Avram Grant. I know you're watching. I know you're watching. Zanko, big fan.
subscribe to that for more news on Avram Grant.
आर्सेनल का सीन ये है यार आर्टेटा का उस वक्त मुझे नहीं लग रहा था कि इतनी बुरी अपॉइंटमेंट होगी लेकिन दे शुड हैव गॉटन रिड ऑफ हिम मिडवे थ्रू द लास्ट सीजन और फिर बहुत ज्यादा प्रोलॉन्ग कर दिया उसे और स्टार्ट ऑफ द सीजन तो वो उसे निकालेंगे नहीं सो वन मोर सीजन ऑफ दिस शिट तो बस यही है
If he sorts it out, मुझे like तारिक की बात हुई जो कि play से set करो सब. I think if Arteta is the guy and does that thing ना,
He can't.
I think he could get it going a bit और फिर थोड़ा सा
नहीं
But he's
Calm
been,
down.
he's been at Arsenal how many seasons now?
1.5.
This is going to be his second full season.
Second full season. अच्छा फिर ठीक है टाइम है.
And also,
नहीं,
हाँ,
नहीं,
and also you have to
Science.
see him again. And also last season जो था, the बेचारा he lost his big name. Like Aubameyang wasn't Aubameyang. And you saw Arsenal
अभी भी नहीं चल रहा
नहीं, but
नहीं, वो
the
Arteta
problems
की भी
were
गलती है
with Aubameyang. The problems were just
with play
Nobody knew
ओबा
what-
को
हाँ,
लेफ्ट
वो तो
साइड
है।
पे बस खिलाया जा रहा है
Yeah.
कि उसका क्या काम है ट्रैक बैक एंड गो फॉरवर्ड स्ट्रेच द प्ले ओबा तो
there was
काम तो
it
नहीं
looked
है
like there was like just lack of a game plan.
लोग क्या है अभी
execution problem.
Execution, yeah.
Not like I think because Arteta
No, I'm
knows
sure
his
every
football.
manager worth their salt comes with the
हाँ.
game. I mean, he was
But
assistant manager to
Arsenal
Pep
का
for
players
some
की
time.
बहुत मस्त है.
Players का
And
बहुत
fans
ज़्यादा
as well, bro. Like people don't rate Xhaka and stuff like that. Bro, अभी भी Xhaka, ठीक है, you want him gone, but he's still your best. So yeah, bro, I was saying
हाँ.
Xhaka. Sadly, I mean, he's good, but he's not good enough. And
No.
he's your second best midfielder.
ना
That's
और
sad.
टोटल 4 सेंटीमीटर्स है हमारे पास पार्टे और एलनेनी और
And
Lokonga भी
Nenny
है।
might even start the season now. So there you go.
Well,
That's Arsenal's problem.
Let's
See,
look at
Arteta
that,
में
man.
problem है.
Tariq
Bro,
has grown into his role over
ले
there.
लो यार मिलान
हम तो रैमजी ले रहे हैं.
रैंडी ले रहे हो
that's a problem.
Yeah,
Ramsey अच्छा अभी तक
Ramsey
He was
was no.
underutilized in
No,
Juventus.
he's just not good enough anymore. He's
नहीं
good at Arsenal.
एनी मोर का मुझे नहीं पता लेकिन
Arsenal में fit था यार.
काफी फिट था और
ये
AC
वो वाला-
Milan's like that
Arsenal
team,
का
bro.
literally वो मसला है जो AC मिलान का था bro.
यार,
Like
Arsenal
you're hyping
बहुत ज़्यादा-
players, we have to hype players up.
Yeah.
Like Elneny.
Yeah.
Because
I find it so
We have to
weird.
hype them.
Liverpool fans telling us
To
to
hype
hype
them.
We've been through it, dude. We know what it's
champions
like.
of Europe, champions of England.
वो कौन है जिसको अभी
Jurgen
तक
Klopp.
तालिबान को वर्क वीजास मिल जाते हैं अभी तक तेरे बंदे
Alan Rodriguez.
उसे भेज दिया।
Alan Rodriguez de Souza.
उसे भेज दिया, Brazil।
Yeah, we let him go.
We're like, we can't work
He would have
with
been
work
great.
visa.
I was
Would have
back
been
in
the one.
school जब से ये लगा
हाँ।
और एलन
You know,
रॉड्रिगेज
the
Zero
Zero
Cross,
problem.
लोगों की शादियां हो गई बच्चे हो गए ग्रेजुएट भी हो चुके हैं वो बंदा एलन रॉड्रिगेज
जब हम
लिवरपूल
स्कूल में था तब क्रिस्टियन नेमेथ था. Alan Rodriguez बाद में आया.
with a K
With a K, yeah.
K and a Z
Yeah, bro.
Was this
Christian
the
Nemeth.
हाँ अच्छा नहीं आर्सेनल की बात कर रहे थे बहुत ज्यादा गैप्स हैं हर टीम में राइट बैक है ही नहीं बेलेरिन मतलब आई डोंट कंसीडर हिम एज अ फुटबॉलर फैशन मॉडल है उसके अलावा मिड में कोई बंदा नहीं है बस ये गैप्स हैं वैसे तो
Forward maybe I guess like
Striker,
forward.
Yes.
forward strike
You
force
guys
fit,
have
yeah.
them but they don't play as well, you know, like.
Bro,
आपस में जल नहीं रहे।
if you get Tammy Abraham, now you guys are
यार
insane.
चेक करो ना ये
Tammy Abraham, no, but Tammy
He's a-
Abraham wants
he's
to
a
go.
decent-
Roma,
he's a
he doesn't want to go to Roma.
He's a
He
decent
said-
player.
he
He's a
literally
decent player. लेकिन तुम अगर खुद ही सोचो टैमी एब्राहम लिवरपूल का फॉरवर्ड होता
हाँ.
फर्स्ट फॉरवर्ड
Yeah. I'm just literally told you I want
First
him.
forward लेकिन तुम्हारा
I
Obama
want
है.
Tammy Abraham. there.
ओबल लेफ्ट पे खेलता है ना यार खेलता ही नहीं है स्ट्राइकर
और
लाका है
Lacazette-
लाका
Lacazette-
सिद्धा फॉरवर्ड
Lacazette भी नहीं.
Bro, I want Tammy Abraham at Liverpool. मैंने तो बोला we need.
मतलब आई वांट
Liverpool.
लिवरपूल एज माय सेकंड स्ट्राइकर
हाँ.
लेकिन आई वांट कि अगर लाका की
I
जगह
want
लौटारो
him.
होता तो आई वुड हैव बीन हैप्पी अब लाका
No,
से-
you can rotate, you can rotate.
ये वो करता नहीं है ना ब्रो, वो लाका को खिलाएगा।
इंटर
मुझे
मिलान
पता
वाली
है,
सेल लगी हुई है अभी भी।
हाँ, full on sale है।
Lautaro
Best
वगैरह।
man. They want to
Yeah,
keep, they want to keep Lautaro.
Yeah, Lautaro exaggerate
But
over there.
but Lautaro, I don't think he wants to stay as well. He might.
No, he wants to.
अच्छा.
हाँ,
Yeah.
उसका
They
पूरा
Inter
statement
Milan
है।
told them about the bid. Lautaro, he said if you want to accept. you
किसकी
can.
बेट थी?
Spurs.
Spurs की.
No,
And he-
but
and
all
he's like-
clubs are in it. Even Arsenal are in.
And he's like, no, I want to stay.
So it's very last
So they
minute
don't want
cheat
to.
sheets.
They have to sell players,
हाँ.
but they're like with him. It's like if you want to go, that's fine. We'll get money. If you don't want to go, that's fine. We'll keep you.
बारसा के अभी भी जो 2-3 रजिस्टर्ड प्लेयर्स हैं उनके भी मसला है ना स्टिल
Aguero or Depay
yeah
एक
No,
बार
no,
वैसे injured हो
Depay
गया।
तो हो गया.
नहीं हुआ.
हो गया।
क्या
Depay
खेलो?
नहीं
Depay
हुआ.
is playing, bro. How can you?
The-
Yeah, he's
appa-
playing, but
apparently
they-
there's some
they
issue
haven't
with their
registered with La Liga, yeah.
there's some issue with their number of foreign players as well
Yeah.
as well as their salary cap
Yeah.
still even despite
Aguero वैसे injured हो गया without playing।
लेकिन सोचो लास्ट
ये
मिनट से
थोड़े
लगे
झूठी इंजरी है वैसे.
सिटी प्लेयर्स मिलान प्लेयर्स और क्या कहते हैं बारसा प्लेयर्स की को लास्ट मिनट सेल टाइप लगे ना जस्ट अ बंच ऑफ
Inter.
प्लेयर्स या सॉरी इंटर प्लेयर्स अ बंच ऑफ पीपल मिलान की कौन लेगा अ बंच ऑफ
I think Milan से ही बोले Inter Milan के लिए.
बेनेज़ेर के पीछे सारे लगे.
लॉकेटेली वैसे मैंने लिंक्स देखे हैं पता है वो तो
No, I don't think like Locatelli is good, but I don't rate him. Like Barella is better than him.
Barella तो
And-
बहुत fit है।
तो वही ना इस तरह के midfielder मुझे चाहिए. I don't want Locatellis. I'm tired of Locatellis. We have a big Locatelli and Henderson with us, bro. We don't need any Locatellis. We have a lot of
We were talking about
Locatellis.
Arsenal, and despite where Arsenal get this season, like which position, I think Saka is going to have a really great season.
साका तो star
Because
player,
when you
bro।
saw him in the Euros, he was fearless, bro. Like he didn't
हाँ।
give a shit कि ये Euros है,
मैं
international
वो
tournament है.
पूरे सीजन से देखता आ रहा था,
हाँ।
मेरी कोई बात नहीं सुन रहा था, ये सिर्फ सुन रहा
इसकी
था।
वजह से ना
और
यार
नहीं,
इनका
ये सुन रहा था,
बातों का
और-
वॉल्यूम इतना ज्यादा है कि वो बंदा और फिर वो जो दूसरे उधर बैठे हैं वो भी फिर आप बीच में डाल देते हैं. And so
What do you
just-
mean?
Everything
He
gets lost. in the-
said मैं सिर्फ सुन रहा था.
हाँ मैं
You weren't even listening, bro. You didn't know who Saka was until he came on and started
एकदम पलट गया है.
What are you talking about? तुझे क्या था? Oh, wow.
ये
इस
सुनते
समय
नहीं है.
वो मुझे कह रहा है कि तुम नहीं सुन रहे, मैं सिर्फ इसका सुन रहा था.
मैं उसको प्राइवेट डीएम करता
हाँ,
हूँ, मैं तेरी
बिल्कुल.
बात मान रहा हूँ.
तू तो
समझ नहीं आ
end
रही
में
है.
आके कहता है ये साका भी है एक बंदा अच्छा.
अच्छा चलो सीजन प्रेडिक्शंस की तरफ चले। टॉप 4 प्रेडिक्शन।
लेकिन
number
यार
one
मसला है यार
है.
लिवरपूल किधर है यार, हमने तो बात ही नहीं किया अपने क्लब का.
bro.
वो इतनी शुरू ही
We didn't, bro. We didn't talk about it,
टॉप
man.
4 predictions न्यूट्रल बंदा शुरू करना।
Top 4. I'm just gonna go a bit wild,
Wild।
okay? And I'm gonna say Leicester first.
क्या-
I told you, I said it was gonna be a bit.
A bit?
I don't know why. I'll tell you. I mean, I do know why. It's because look, they've made some really good signings and they've added to their depth. They've lost very.
कौन से साइनिंग्स किए उन्होंने?
Patson Daka,
ओ
and
Daka,
बर्ट्रैंड।
Bertrand, yeah, that's a good deputy. And एक और उन्होंने midfielder किया था, I've forgotten the name.
Also got that French, he says Somar, Somar.
Sumare. Boubacar
Boubacar
Soumare.
Soumare, yeah.
Yes. So those are some good signings, and they're very to the point signings, and not just for show.
हाँ।
So I think they're gonna have a good
Bro.
season. That's why I'm saying. So first, second, कर लेते हैं.
No, I forgot to add something about Leicester.
Okay.
This is a wild take as well. Inacho is gonna go
Gonna have a
levels.
season.
Gonna have a season, bro.
Oh, yeah.
देखना, Inacho
Agreed.
is just there.
Agreed. Him and Harvey Barnes.
Harvey Barnes
Yeah,
बहुत
Harvey
fit।
Barnes.
Harvey Barnes के पहले से
Big
लिंक्स
stuff, big
लिंक्स
stuff.
देख रहा था लिवरपूल के
वही ना
साथ।
यार लिंक्स ही आते हैं ना वो आगे असल में लिवरपूल की ज्यादातर
No, but
साइनिंग में
I'm
लिंक्स
telling
नहीं
you,
होते
one
एकदम पर साइन हो
person,
जाते
and we
हैं
need an attacker. I'm fine with the midfield now. Liverpool just need an attacker or a winger.
One forward.
We're set. Pass. Tammy Abraham, Harvey Barnes.
खैर, I think 1-2 होगा Leicester City or Manchester City between.
अच्छा,
तो हमें तुमने 2 से भी नीचे कर दिया
हाँ.
Disrespect.
ओके
Wow.
चेल्सी भी नहीं है, यूनाइटेड भी नहीं है, लिवरपूल भी नहीं है, लेस्टर
अभी
सिटी।
3-4 सुनते क्या करने
3
लगता है
third पे होगा Chelsea.
Bro, I'm about to throw something at this guy.
Kick him out. AC Milan relegation.
Fourth पे होगा Liverpool.
चलो
शक्ल
Yeah.
देख।
रख दिया मैंने
अच्छा।
नीचे रख दिया
I don't think United. will win
इंटरेस्टिंग।
top four, yeah.
ज़ाको तुम्हारे पास चलता है।
Number 1
लिवरपूल।
लिवरपूल Number 2 City के ऊपर नहीं आता Chelsea ना United, so number 2 City. I think number 3 it will be Chelsea, and then number 4 लग रहे हो Leicester, ताकि number 5 या somewhere
नीचे।
हाँ like United I don't, बस top 4 ना है मैं कुछ
अच्छा मेरी प्रेडिक्शन नंबर 1 सिटी, नंबर 2 चेल्सी 3 Liverpool, and 4 United.
Oh, the old big four. Oh, wait.
No, not the old Big Four.
The same big four this season.
No, Arsenal नहीं है. The old big
The
four.
old Big
No, but
Four.
like last season we
Yeah.
हाँ, वही होगी बस order थोड़ा सा change होगा.
disrespectful.
Yeah,
तो-
boy,
तो
you लोग underrate
अब
करते
तुम्हारे
हैं।
पास है ना number 1 Liverpool.
बोलो.
Vic. The two number ones with me. It's either City.
Either वाली
You
बात
have
नहीं
to
होती
pick
ना
one.
bro. Either
You
वाली
have to
बात
pick
नहीं.
one.
If Liverpool.
Look, he's not like you. He's being objective.
Look,
No, you,
if Liverpool
being
if
objective is not saying दोनों हो सकती हैं.
Predictions
I'm telling you,
Prediction
now.
आपने
Lock
one-
in, you lock in the prediction then of the either or all that once the transfer window shuts. If Liverpool get a striker or a winger na, of caliber, जो replacement कर सकते हैं, add in, we're winning the league. It's game over.
Answer.
ठीक है.
If they-
I know how you go ठीक है.
If they
Yes,
don't, then
if
City.
they don't, City are winning. But
Okay.
City aren't even winning, and we will win. If City don't sort out the Grealish thing with them, like you know how to fit Grealish, where to fit him. Like वो mid के
If
साथ
they don't
mid
mind-
में खेल
if
रहा
they
है.
don't like Kane.
What,
Yeah.
if,
Let's
what,
say
if both, what if both scenarios don't happen?
That's where the third one comes. that's where Chelsea with big Rom go and just win the league. With
So let's say if
but
Liverpool don't get a
that's
striker.
वही मैं कह रहा हूँ because if Chelsea, I'm serious.
You get to say the beautiful
Bro, if
part.
Chelsea, the only the
इसकी
season I
prediction का
see,
chart बनाता हूँ मैं.
the only time I see Chelsea winning that is because of these struggles. Like if Liverpool just go with chill in the season, कि नहीं हम तो कर सकते सब कुछ. And if City don't ignore like Pep, you know how where Pep के wingers का scene होता है ना, where wingers are strictly supposed to be wide to cause depth and to stretch
Yeah,
and
pace.
stuff. So Grealish isn't that type of player.
No, it's
Grealish को
investigate
Grealish को
this.
तुम क्यों left पे खिलाओगे just to like stand there? He wants the ball. तो he obviously center में खेलेगा. तो अब वो jelliness की
अच्छा,
बात है
अच्छा,
कि
बात सुनो.
किस तरह gel हो सकते हो Kane
On current
Sixtiness.
squads.
jelliness.
Jelliness.
Jelliness की
On current squads. ना लिवरपूल की ओर साइन कर रहा है ना सिटी की ओर कर रहा है.
You
But yeah, sorry, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Chelsea a third, Liverpool first, City second,
And
and
what-
the fourth is United because Sancho's is too good. Like
Cur-
basically इसका same, but obviously respect.
Current
Liverpool.
squad पे भी
exactly
ये
same.
Same thing और मुझे कह रहे थे
क्या
ये
मतलब same? Liverpool is
Oh,
first.
नहीं.
Current squad पे भी यही कहोगे तुम.
Because of Klopp.
लेकिन
Yeah.
Current squad पे यही कहोगे.
We're not top 4 in the current squads.
We're not top 4 on current
I'm
squad.
joking, man. I'm just joking.
No, the current
It's not
squad
wrong,
पे 1, 2, 3, 4 क्या होगा?
क्या होगा?
मतलब
यार
यही squad
same
है
होगा,
तो.
same होगा. यार.
Liverpool, Chelsea, Liverpool, City.
No, City
Chelsea.
first.
City, Liverpool, Chelsea,
Yeah,
United.
yeah. What do you mean current? Like this season, like this season.
Right
season
now, no
starts
more
now.
signings.
If Kane doesn't join there,
they don't get Kane, we don't get a forward.
Chelsea are winning. I told you
अच्छा फिर
because they've got Lukaku.
Game theory, bro.
Chelsea are
confused हो गया था
काफी ज्यादा confusing है इसकी predictions से.
Chelsea are winning.
अच्छा.
अच्छा, what do we have to look forward to first game week?
First game week जो है सबसे पहला मैच है
Van
Arsenal
Dijk's
versus
return.
Yeah. Norwich को तो
What the fuck?
बंदे को बख्श
This is
दो
the
यार.
Liverpool football show.
Season opener Brentford versus Arsenal.
Brentford boy.
Nothing to look forward to there.
उसका उनका striker Ivan Toney.
और I have a feeling Arsenal हार रही है.
Oh yeah.
हाँ.
Bro, you know what happens in the first game
That'd be a
week?
great watch.
Lacazette always does bits in the first game week. And he's scoring.
लेकिन जो लोग
Obama
promote
है.
जो
No,
लोग
no,
promote होते
Lacazette's
हैं
scoring. देखना
Let's
Lacazette.
do first
नहीं,
game.
ओबामा है कि यार
Opening
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट
game.
चाहिए था उसने.
अभी नहीं चाहिए ना उसे. मिल गया ना.
अभी Lacazette का power है.
अच्छा
देखना.
और फिर इंटरेस्टिंग मैच है यूनाइटेड वर्सेस लीड्स.
अच्छा पहला मैच.
Did Leeds
Yes,
make any
about-
good? Did Leeds make any good signings?
No, they're sticking.
No, they did get one guy from Barca.
Oh yeah, that Junior Firpo or
Firpo,
something.
yeah, yeah,
He's a
that's
good
right,
winger,
good
yeah.
signing.
Left back.
Left wing back.
और फिर लिवरपूल का नॉर्विच के साथ है.
Suarez होता है ना.
Suarez
खा
और
जाता
तो
अभी भी खा रहे हैं इनको. Salah's hungry, Mane is hungry.
I see Salah scoring goals. in
Or-
this.
Mane.
Unless Pookie.
और टॉटनहम वर्सेस सिटी.
That'd be fun.
Yeah.
That's a good match.
Yeah, अल्लाह करे
Yeah, you know what we
वो
saw-
ना ना last minute के Harry Kane is withdrawn from the squad so that
He will. He's not
Drama
playing.
होगा, drama
No,
होगा.
but
But drama
drama
होगा
is-
यार.
One of the
You know
guys
what would be
available.
even cool, and I've seen this happen once. I think James Milner did this. If Harry Kane plays for Tottenham, scores against City, and then he transfers to City.
Yeah, Oxley, we did that. Oxley Chamberlain. He played against Liverpool, and then Liverpool signed him.
और वो हराया था लिवरपूल ने मैच और फिर नेक्स्ट वीक इंटरव्यू में आके बोल रहा था yeah we beat Arsenal.
Legend, man, legend. By the way, Oxley form में था पता है? Ox Minamino भी form में लग रहा है यार.
Everybody
Like
was
genuine.
smiling.
अभी लास्ट वीक मिनामिनो को ये गालियां दे रहा था.
I tweeted out, bro.
Yeah, he's like, I was wrong about you.
You saw that? You saw that? I was like, I'm sorry, I love you, bro.
You belong
Bro, I'm
here.
telling you, bro, I'm telling you, Klopp, bro. I don't know what he does. Klopp is just a monster.
Yes.
When the season starts, you guys will be surprised. What are Liverpool doing? Like what?
We won't.
We won't be.
पता है
No,
Klopp
but like these players, like Minamino types, like
अब तो पहले I rated Minamino before.
I don't rate him. I still don't. It's all because of
इन
Klopp.
दोनों की predictions सुनी थी और अब कह रहे हैं नहीं हमें तो पता है.
नहीं तो Klopp है तो
पता तो है
Klopp का तो पता है. No,
लीग
they
जीतेंगे
respect
तो ये
Klopp.
कहेंगे हम तो कह रहे थे bro.
नहीं,
तो
हम
हम
DM
नहीं कह रहे थे,
इसलिए
हम
वो
clearly
DM
कह
कर रहे
रहे
हैं
हैं,
कि लिवरपूल
चौपली
जीतेंगे.
जाते हैं.
हम क्लियरली नहीं कह रहे ये
नहीं तब कहोगे मैं कह रहा हूँ.
नहीं कह
तुम लोग किधर थे जब हम कह रहे थे
एडिटिंग
इटली जीतेगी?
एडिटिंग
हाँ,
किधर थे तुम?
हाँ तुम लोग किधर थे जब हम कह रहे थे इटली जीतेगी?
हम मैं कह
इटली
रही
तो
हूँ
नहीं
तुम-
इटली तो like
काफी बॉयज आज के लिए
Yeah, I think so.
बिल्कुल नहीं है.
थक जाएंगे भी.
सब्सक्राइब वगैरह.
सब्सक्राइब
ये बेल आइकॉन इधर हो
लाइक भी
इस जगह.
शेयर भी
या शेयर वाला इधर.
नून लीग वाला नहीं वो दूसरा.